Did you know ChatGPT has hidden features most people never use? Here are 5 game-changing tricks you need to try right now. First, use custom instructions to make ChatGPT remember your preferences. Set it once, and every conversation is personalized to you automatically. No more repeating yourself. Second, ask ChatGPT to roleplay as an expert. Say act as a marketing guru or you're a Python expert and watch the quality of answers skyrocket. Third, use the continue command. When ChatGPT stops mid-response, just type continue and it picks up exactly where it left off. So simple, yet so powerful. Fourth, ask for multiple versions. Say give me 3 different ways to say this and you'll get variety instantly. Perfect for emails, content, or presentations. Found this useful? Hit that like button and subscribe for more tips like this every day.